Good afternoon, everybody. It's Martha, and I wanted to share with you my delivery from the Silly Goats Soap Company. I got their brown sugar fig goat milk lotion. I got their old-fashioned shampoo bar, which is sweet almond and honey, and it smells really good. And then I got the conditioner bar that is the almond cream scented. And on the back, of course, they have the ingredients. And on the side of the lotion, it talks about their company, and they say, "We are a God-loving company, enjoying what we have so graciously been given and wanting to share some of that with all of you." So it's a Christian company, which I always want to support small Christian family-owned businesses. And I've ordered from them before. They have like a muscle rub that is so good. I need to reorder that because I'm very low. But yes, this is from the Silly Goats Company. And it's the lotion, shampoo, and conditioner bars. I've never used their shampoo or conditioner bars. I've just used lotion and the muscle rub. All right, everybody. And they have a wide arrangement of products. I think they have gift baskets and all kinds of goodies. Oh, I have used their oil-free face moisturizer. I am completely out of it, but I do plan to order that because it's very lightweight and so nice. So yeah, I've used a lot of products from the Silly Goats Company. Okay, everybody have a blessed day. Jesus loves you. I do too. Bye-bye.